Tinubu in Buhari versus Obasanjo's case, Supreme Court said 25% vote in Abuja is mandatory according to Dayo Kayode. Welcome to the news and thank you for tuning in to listen. Please subscribe to our channel. To get notified when we post hot juicy news update, please click on the notification bell. The fact that Bola Tinubu, the candidate of the All Progressives Congress APC, was proclaimed the winner of the presidential election despite receiving fewer than 25% of the vote in Abuja has caused a stir. Some have contended that Tinubu should not have been declared the winner of the election because, according to Section 1342 of the Constitution, he should not have been. A political technocrat, Dr. Dayo Kayode, has stated that the issue has been before the Supreme Court on a case involving Muhammadu Buhari of the then ANPP and then President Olusegun Obasanjo of the People Democratic Party in 2005, amid the controversy surrounding the interpretation of Section 134(2), particularly subparagraph B of the Nigerian Constitution. According to Kayode, the Supreme Court affirmed the requirement that presidential contenders receive at least 25% of the vote throughout 24 states and Abuja. Kayode made these remarks at 8:40 in the Central TV video posted on YouTube. The 25% of vote cast in Abuja had been seen before. The situation between Obasanjo and Buhari is a good example. After achieving a 25% victory rate in 2/3 of a state, the Supreme Court ruled that you also needed to achieve a 25% victory rate in Abuja. I do not understand why some people think Abuja is not a golden state anymore. Well, all this one we are seeing here, the court has not actually decided. Everybody is coming out to say, oh, we have had this situation before, or this one, it does not mean now. How will, after you have gotten all the requirements, it is just the Abuja one that, the court has not give the final verdict. And so, now sit down, they look with you. They are welcome to come and give their opinion. Sincerely, they are. They are welcome to come and give the opinion. But the court has not given its final verdict. It is that final verdict that everybody is actually looking at. The judiciary remains the body that interprets the law. So we are waiting for them to do the interpretation and come out and tell us, see what that particular law really means. See how it should have been done. That is what exactly we are waiting for. Okay. We will continue to just... we will continue grabbing the popcorn until the court said or comes out to say, this is what they are saying. Now this thing gone with them they talk. Now then they interpret the law now. Now then be the chief interpreter of the law. So it is anything they say. That's just it. The rule of precedent must apply. Okay. So my own is apart from this is not just only the reason now. This is not just only the reason. Please, I think the court should also question why there was irregularities. Question why there was violence. I'm telling you, the court should not just interpret, but the man should demand answers from these people. Sincerely, why were the elections filled with irregularities? Where were people stopped from carrying out their civil responsibility? Why were people stopped from voting just because they were not going to be voting for a particular party? I feel the court should also step in. I feel the court should act like an elder brother that it is. To be very sincere with you. Okay, and it is true that this man is coming out to say bye Lushele in 2005. But we are in 2023. How many years later? A lot of things have changed. I keep saying that for a lot of people, it's not just about the result. A lot of people, they are like, okay, this result is going to show a lot. It's going to determine a lot. Number one, is going to determine if the judiciary is really, really the last hope of a common man. The judiciary, it's kind of judgment. Is going to determine. We're going to know whether we are going to start looking for another last hope. We are going to know whether we are going to start looking for another last hope, or the judiciary is okay, because a lot is going on in this country. A lot is going on. A whole lot, and it is only necessary that we at least say somebody get your back somewhere. Somebody that you can actually, how do I even put it? Something that can actually afford. Let's say, for instance, for the widow who is oppressed, whose husband's brothers are trying to snatch or take all away her property, she's supposed to, as she's running to the hands of the law is covering her, the law is shielding her, the law is making her a better person. Do you understand? So it is not just about the constitution, the election. It's not just about it. It's about the aftermath. All right. They said he also said the situation between Obasanjo and Buhari is a good example. After achieving 25% victory rate in 2/3 of the states, the Supreme Court ruled that you also needed to achieve a 25% victory rate in Abuja. You see all this problem. You don't say English also now. English is not the cause of this problem. English follow the custom. So the judiciary, with their way to them, make them come outside. We are hoping that our waiting for them is not going to be in vain. We don't go wait for them. When they come outside, our hope will not be dashed. We sincerely hope so. Okay, I think this is a part of the what's it called? The constitution. That's the 134 that is causing all this problem. A candidate for an election to the office of the president shall be deemed to have been duly elected where there have been more than 2 candidates for the election. A, he has the highest number of votes cast at the election, and B, he has not less than 1/4 of the votes cast at the election in each of at least 2/3 of a state in the federation and the Federal Capital Territory. I repeat, the judiciary will go help us on this one. Alright, on this note, we have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.